God. So I don't know what's going on. I think the starter might be going out, or the solenoid. So I don't want to get stranded on the streets. So I might have to change it in this freaking heat. I got my umbrella. Oh man, I don't want to do this right now. Alright, so I got my setup. I went and buy a little umbrella because it's fucking hot outside. Whoa, almost see shit. It's freaking hot outside. So that's my setup. So I've been searching on YouTube and I couldn't find much. Like my car won't click, and then I was tapping like the solenoid. I don't know if you guys can see. I was tapping on that solenoid, and it was kicking over and it was starting. So but just yesterday I did the same thing. It wouldn't start, so I'm like, you know what, I'm just gonna replace the starter. I also I saw a video of a guy doing like a rebuild on their starter. I guess you changed the brushes or something like that, and it didn't seem that hard to do. So I don't know, I'm just gonna take apart mine and see what it looks like, and probably just order those brushes, that part, and just rebuild it, because I don't want to pay like $170 for a fucking new starter. I mean, if I have to, I will. They have a refurbished one for like $121, and then if you bring your core, they give you like $40 off. So technically it's like 80 bucks, but I don't feel like spending 80 bucks. And then the rebuild kit is only like 12-14 bucks or some shit like that on eBay. So let's see, let me take it apart and see what it looks like. Okay, so looks like we disconnect that one, take this little cover off. Careful, because it's old and brittle, like it's already breaking right there. Set it to the side, and it looks like it's a 12 or something. That one right there. Okay, let's get a 12. Dang it. So it was a 13, not a 12. So now that one's disconnected, the power. That one goes there. Just take it out and move to the side. Now we gotta get there's 1 and 2 somewhere over here. That one right there. So I think those are 14s. Now let's take them out. Okay, so finally got those loose. That one, the easiest way to do this one, let's see if I can get it in there. Come on. Like this, put your ratchet down, point it down, like so, and then just loosen it up. And then the top one, pretty much the same way. Buy yourself some of these ratcheting wrenches. Trust me, it'll save you a lot of time. I just spent like $30 fucking O'Reilly's for a set like this, and I used to have one of these, a 14, and couldn't find it, so I had to go buy the fucking 5-piece set for 30 bucks. Oh well, we need them. So those are off. Let me just take them out by hand and Let's see if we can wiggle that shit out. And it's out. All right, so this is it. They're dirty. Not too bad. Okay, let's take it inside and take it apart, see what it looks like. Man, it's heavy. Now check this out. My buddy gave me these lights that I'll be installing on the 240 soon. Check that out. Whoop. Pull over, motherfucker. Sick. Okay, we got these two bolts out. They're pretty long. Now we take this Phillips screws. Hopefully we don't strip them. Oh man, it's gonna be tight. Let me see if I can get something else. Okay, hopefully it wouldn't strip anything. Perfect. Actually, let's take that one out. This is my first time taking a starter apart, so I'm not a professional. This is not a how-to video. If this doesn't work out, I'm just gonna order a new one. So okay, that one goes there. Okay, and oh shoot, that ain't good. Yeah, don't do this. All the gears just came out. Okay, so that one goes there. That one goes there. I think. Okay, we leave that one to the side. Look how that one is. Just check that out. I don't know why it's like that. I'm not sure. Oh well. Okay, so I just used a little rubber mallet and kind of tap it, and it came apart. So now we're gonna open and see what it looks like. Okay. This is the one we need. Check that out. See, they're supposed to look a little longer than that, and look at that one, and look at that one. So I'm gonna go ahead and order this part. I'm trying to put it back together. So I also saw in a video they do like a, look at all that dust. Dang. They do like, they sand this down a little bit with like a fine grit sandpaper. We can do that too. I don't have any right now, but we're gonna continue this video until we get my part. Once I get it, we'll put everything back together, and hopefully it'll start. If not, we learn something, and I'll just go buy a freaking new one. All right, I'll see you guys later. All right, guys, so we're back. We finally got the part. Fucking took like a week through Amazon, but we finally got it. This is the one. This is what it looks like, brand new. And then I guess we have to install this too. And then this is the old one, pretty messed up. So that's trash. So now let's try to put that one together and put everything back inside and go put it on the car and make sure it starts. Let's do that right now. Okay, so I've been struggling for like 10 minutes trying to take these fucking springs out. They're a little hard to take out. I was trying to take them out with the little screwdriver, but that failed. So this one goes like that, but before you do that, you have to take out the spring, and I couldn't do that. I didn't want to mess it up, or so what I did, I pry it out, and it's fucking shoot all the way over there. So I had to go get it. So be careful with those springs. Make sure you wear an eye protection, because then they might hit your eye or something. So, but then I found some needle nose pliers. I know, a little rusty, and that seemed to work better. So I'm gonna try and see if I need one more, and then time to put it back. That's how it's looking so far. Now for this step, I mean, it'll be a lot easier if you had a vice grip or something, but I don't. It's my little bench, and you're gonna have to kind of push those out in order to slide it, down. So you're gonna either need help, like somebody to help you push, two of those while you do the other two, and then just slide them down. So let me go get a hand real quick. Okay, so now I know why they came separate or not installed. It's because it'll be a lot easier to slide them in. So that was my bad. This is my first time doing it. So when you get them brand new, do not install this yet. Wait until you slide it down and then put them over there. So I just did all the freaking work for nothing. So I'm gonna have to take this out again and then slide it down. Alright, so we finally got it. All we do, we push one like that. And then we put the springs back around. Okay, so finally, not gonna lie, I did struggle, and I didn't know why it wouldn't fit. So what I did, I put this one backwards. So I put it like this instead of like this. So I was breaking my head trying to figure it out why it wouldn't fit. And then I looked back on one of my videos, and then, yep, as soon as I took it out, it was like this instead of like this. So finally I got that right. Now we're gonna tighten it up and go install it on the car. Hopefully starts. Let me tighten this up real quick. Okay, so we finally got everything back together. Everything's put back on. Got the battery hooked up. Now let's go see if all of our work was worth it. Oh, come on. Come on, you can do it. Hell yeah. Woo! Ah, man, we got it. You don't understand. It was not as easy as I thought it was gonna be doing the rebuild or whatever. But we got it done. So it's on, it's running, good to go. Ah, man, I haven't driven this car for like, gotta be almost 2 weeks. We got it. I hope you guys learn anything. I mean, I know it wasn't like a tutorial kind of thing. It was just showing how I'm doing it as I'm learning. And if the video was helpful or whatever, please, give it a like, subscribe, the usual. So finally we can drift this thing, we can drive it around, we can do anything. Finally, it's on. I'm so excited. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. It's coming soon. Little painting video too. Alright, so see you guys later. Peace. It's finally alive.